Hey beautiful people, today I am making rainbow ice. This recipe is super easy to make, so there may not be much talking in this video. All you will need is water, food coloring, and an ice tray. Start by pouring 2.5 cups water in an empty jar or bottle, then add 3 drops food coloring to the water. Blend it in nicely, then fill the tray. Place the covered tray in the freezer and let it freeze solid. This usually takes a few hours, so be patient. Once your ice cubes are formed solid, it's time for the magic to happen. Rainbow ice is not only visually stunning, but also a delightful treat for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, cooling off on a hot day, or just looking to add some color to your dessert, this recipe is perfect for you. Arrange your rainbow ice cubes in a glass, altering colors to create a beautiful layered effect. Pour your favorite liquid over the rainbow ice and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give this recipe a try and add a little rainbow magic to your day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And until next time, stay healthy.